Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync, where soft power meets silent confidence. Today, we're unlocking something seriously irresistible, things girls do that make guys weak. And no, we're not talking about just looks or outfits. We're talking about those subtle feminine behaviors that completely throw a guy off balance. You know, those tiny things you do without even realizing it, but when done right, you leave him speechless, stunned, and completely obsessed. These aren't tricks. They're power moves rooted in emotional intelligence, softness, and charm. So stay till the end, because if you master even a few of these, girl, he won't know what hit him. 1. The way you laugh at his jokes. It sounds simple, right? But a girl's genuine, radiant laugh can make a guy melt on the spot. It's not just about what you say, it's how your eyes light up, how your head tilts back a little, and how your energy shifts when something truly makes you laugh. It makes him feel like he's the only one who can pull that happiness out of you. And that makes him feel powerful, connected, and desired. The best part? When you touch his arm or shoulder while laughing, it's over. That tiny gesture of joy and physical connection tells him he's in, that he's getting to a version of you that's real, raw, and unfiltered. It makes him weak in the best way possible, because he feels like he just unlocked a secret part of you. 2. When you bite your lip without knowing. It's one of the oldest, most subconscious feminine gestures, and yet, it hits him every time. Whether you're nervous, lost in thought, or just playing with your lip lightly while he's talking, girl, you're driving him crazy. It's soft, it's sensual, it's silent, and it pulls his attention directly to your mouth, and his imagination goes straight to what kissing you would feel like. But here's the twist. When it's unintentional, it's even hotter. It doesn't look rehearsed or fake, it looks real. That's when it hits him in the gut. Because now, you're not trying to be seductive, you just are. That natural energy makes him weak in the knees and way too focused on you. 3. The soft voice shift. When you get serious. Guys notice tone more than words. When you're playful and teasing, it's fun. But when your voice suddenly gets softer, slower, more intimate, it does something to him. Especially if you look into his eyes while speaking in that hushed, calm way. It feels like you're letting him into a deeper part of you, and it makes his walls drop fast. The contrast is what hits hardest. That switch from bubbly to soft, from light to serious, tells him you're not just a girl he flirts with, you're someone he could connect with deeply. That switch makes him weak because it activates both his protective instinct and his emotional desire for intimacy, all in one breath. 4. When you fix your hair while looking at him. Girl, do not underestimate this one. Running your fingers through your hair, tucking it behind your ear, or fluffing it slightly while keeping eye contact, it's hypnotic. It tells him that you're present, aware of your body, and subtly showing off your softness, without saying a word. It's like watching femininity in motion. The way you touch your own hair signals comfort, self-care, and confidence. And when you do it while engaging with him, he feels like you're grooming yourself because of his presence. That alone can send heat straight to his chest. It's elegant, it's sensual, and it makes him want to reach out and touch you right back. 5. When you stay calm and unbothered. The ultimate power move? Grace under pressure. When you don't react dramatically, when you respond instead of overreact, girl, you are instantly in a different league. That feminine calmness, that composed energy, it gets to him, because in a world full of chaos, you become the peace he didn't know he needed. Men get weak for women who can hold space, who don't compete for attention or drama, but who radiate self-assurance. When he sees that you're not moved by pettiness or competition, he can't help but lean in closer. You become rare, and that mystery makes him crave you on a whole new level. 6. The way you look away, then back at him. Eye contact is powerful, but you know what's even more powerful? That moment you break it, and then slowly bring it back. It's playful, it's mysterious. It gives him just enough tension to make his pulse rise, because now you've made it a game. He starts wondering, was that shyness, confidence, a tease? Either way, it sticks with him. That slight look away makes him chase your attention again, and when you bring it back, boom, it hits. You just reminded him that your gaze is a privilege, not a given. And once a guy feels that contrast, it hits him deep. It's not about being obvious, it's about being intentional. And that, girl, makes him crumble inside. 7. When you say his name softly. Yes, his name. Don't underestimate how intimate it feels when a girl says a guy's name, especially in a soft, intentional tone. Not just in a conversation, but as a whisper, a pause, or a reaction. It personalizes everything. It hits him directly. It pulls his attention like a magnet. Guys don't hear their names in a soft, feminine tone very often. So when you say it with warmth, or with playfulness, or right after a joke, he feels seen. It makes the moment more personal. It makes you feel closer, and it definitely makes his heart beat a little faster. 8. The way you smell when you leave. This one's powerful because it lingers after you're gone. Your perfume, your scent, your skin, when it subtly stays behind, it becomes a memory he carries with him. Guys are wired to remember scent deeply. So when you leave a soft trace of you in his hoodie, car, or even just the air around him, it drives him crazy. And the best part? He can't even explain it. He'll just keep thinking about you, wondering why he misses you so much, and not even realize it's your scent replaying in his mind. Feminine energy doesn't stop when you walk away. It stays. And when it's wrapped in fragrance and softness, he's already hooked. So my beautiful people, these are the things that don't scream for attention, but command it. They don't shout, they whisper, and that's exactly why they work. Feminine energy isn't about being loud, it's about knowing how powerful your softness can be when you own it with confidence. Drop a in the comments if you've done even one of these without realizing it. And if you want to master the full art of attraction without even trying, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and join the SoulSync family, because we don't chase, we attract. See you in the next one.